Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of the humble black bean? Today we're exploring this versatile legume, a staple in cuisines around the globe. From their origins in Central and South America, black beans have spread across continents, gracing our plates with their rich, earthy flavor. But these little powerhouses aren't just tasty, they're packed with essential nutrients. We're going to dive into their remarkable health benefits, from protein and fiber content to heart and bone health. Get ready to discover why black beans should be a staple in your diet. Black beans are nutrient-dense powerhouses packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're the unsung heroes of the pantry, ready to fortify your meals with a wealth of health benefits. Let's start with protein. Black beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. They're the building blocks your body needs for muscle repair, growth, and overall function. But that's not all. These small but mighty legumes are fiber-rich, promoting digestive health, regularity, and even aiding in weight management by keeping you satisfied longer. When it comes to heart health, black beans don't skip a beat. Their unique combination of fiber, antioxidants, and folate supports heart health, and may even reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. But what about blood sugar? Here too, black beans come to the rescue. Their fiber and protein content help stabilize blood sugar levels, offering potential benefits for diabetes management. And let's not forget about bone health. Packed with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, black beans are a powerful ally in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Think antioxidants are just for fruits? Think again. Black beans are rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from damage and support overall health. Looking for an energy boost? The iron and B vitamins in black beans contribute to energy production, combating fatigue and promoting vitality. Finally, the fiber content of black beans supports a healthy gut microbiome, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Clearly, black beans are more than meets the eye. They're a remarkable source of nutrition. Now you know the benefits, but how can you incorporate black beans into your meals? Black beans are incredibly versatile, lending themselves to a myriad of dishes. Imagine a hearty black bean soup on a chilly evening, or a refreshing black bean and corn salad for a summer lunch. Craving a snack? Whip up a black bean dip to pair with your favorite chips, and that's just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. With so many ways to use them, adding black beans to your diet is both easy and delicious. So there you have it, the amazing world of black beans. A protein powerhouse, a fiber-rich wonder, a champion for heart health, and a regulator of blood sugar. They're also a friend to your bones, a shield against cell damage, an energy booster, a weight management ally, and a versatile star in the kitchen. With black beans, you're not just cooking, you're crafting health. Give black beans a try and experience the health benefits of this nutrient-rich powerhouse for yourself.